Today we're here in beautiful Lexington, North Carolina. Our customer Luke's 60 by 80 project, let's check it out. As you can see walking into this thing, it's massive. 60 feet wide, 80 feet long, and 14 feet high. You can basically do whatever you want in here. And as you can see, with this being 60 wide, this is gonna be our premium commercial grade style truss. Obviously, anything that we do over 32 foot wide requires this same kind of commercial grade truss. All designed and built to withstand the elements by our in-house engineers. Luke came to us wanting the best of the best, so we upgraded his framing to our premium 12 gauge. It's typically 14 gauge in most areas, and we also upgraded him to the 26 gauge paneling. Much more rigid, well worth the investment. The design phase of your metal building project is probably one of the most important parts. You need your building to work for you and your specific application. That's why Luke opted to go for the 60 feet wide. That'll allow him to pull all of his farm equipment and trucks in here without having to detach those trailers, making it a lot easier to stay out of the elements and stay focused on the task. Luke opted for my personal favorite, white for primary color on sides and ends, and then the black wainscot, trim, and roof. The best color combo out there, just take my word for it. We get asked all the time about gutters, and well, they're a must-have on these metal buildings. Most of our customers opt to do that after the fact, and as you can see here, Luke went with the all-black matching gutters and downspouts, a really nice functional finishing touch on his building. We're so thankful that Luke and his family have trusted Carolina for not only one, but two steel building projects here at the family farm in Lexington. And at Carolina, we build to inspire. Right? So from livestock to grading equipment and everything in between, we can cover it.